Good morning, Lord. As the rain falls quietly outside, I come before you with a still and open heart. You are my refuge, my rock, my redeemer. The Lord is good, a refuge in times of trouble. He cares for those who trust in him. Nahum 1:7. Even when the sky is gray, you are light. Even when my spirit is tired, you are strength. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46:10. Today, I affirm my faith in you. You are faithful. You are near. You are already in this day, even in the rain. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Proverbs 3:5. So I surrender my plans, my worries, my thoughts, and my to-do list. Let your peace fall on me like the rain, gentle, steady, and full of grace. Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. Philippians 4:6. I trust you, Lord. Even when I don't see the full picture, even when things feel uncertain, I believe you are working all things together for good. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him. Romans 8:28. Thank you for being the God of the rain and the rainbow, of the silence and the song. Today, I walk in surrender and in peace.